Hey guys, welcome to my new channel and welcome to my review on the Navos Navigation OE 2011 to 2014 for the Ford Mustang. Okay, let me go and show you what I'm replacing. This right here is the stock unit. Right here, you're probably going to see some of that carbon fiber graphics that I got from American Muscle. I went ahead and replaced this actual stereo, and let me show you what I got, which is the Navos OE navigation system. So let's go ahead and review on this. Okay. All right. So let me go and show you first of what I've done in here. I promised that I'm going to do a review on the actual graphics inside. So I went ahead and went to American Muscle, and if you notice, this is the carbon fiber graphics. Okay, went ahead and put it around the whole car. You'll see right here on the door handle. I did it right here also on the power windows. Right here on the mid console. I've also got it right here. Okay, this is one thing that I recommend you do not do on this product. Do not put too much Armor All on it because it does do this to you. It ripples it. So I'm gonna have to buy another graphics to go ahead and replace this. And hopefully what I'm going back to is right here. This is what I did last night that I actually went ahead and MacGyvered. And the original, I think that American Muscle was doing was they were doing the Raxium system, which is a smaller screen, and it was configured differently. So what I did is I literally just cut it out from the outside, from the inside, and made a big box. And from right here, I was using pieces of this right here to go ahead and fill in. So I still got more to do, but I just did a little quick job last night, and then I'm gonna actually go and clean it up later on tonight. Really nice stuff. I really like it a lot. So on to the review. Okay. There it is. Okay. Let me go and show you the actual screen in the beginning. Okay. So here's how your interface looks like in the beginning. It's very nice. If you look at it, the quality is really nice. Go into radio. Okay. You can go ahead and preset any of these stations there. I only preset 3 so far, so I got 104.3, 102.1, hot 93.5. This is called old school, so it is pretty cool. So check this out. I don't think it has it. Yeah, no. Here we go. Here it is. Okay, so this is 93.5, 99 Problems Jay-Z. So it does pull out the actual title right here. If you go into, if I'm correct, yes, there it is. You could choose between radio text or without radio text. So of course you're gonna keep radio text. Go into manual. You can go and manually change your actual station. Okay, so you can put it right here. So I think I go like, let me go into this channel. I know there's one right here. Okay, so 94. You can hit it right here. It goes right to what I want. 95.5. There you go. Okay, so I think right here, yeah, Veronica Jewelers, KLAQ. Okay, and then it tells you it even has a commercial name. Women love it. Johnson Jewelers, Q Rocks. So here we go. All right, on to the next thing. Let me put some better music on. Okay. Okay. All right, so here we go. Navigation, very important. Right here, in this piece right here, this is where you're going to go and put your SD card for the navigation. Just click it right inside, and that's when it loads up your actual preloaded maps. Navigation. All right. Okay, it's loading. Navos kicks on. Takes a little bit though. I'll be honest with you, to go, you get directly into it, but here it is. It shows the map of exactly where we're at right now. Okay, I'm going to turn the rate meter so I can get it sound a little better. All right, destination, route options, and more. Let's go into more. More. This is very funny. Okay, I want to go right to this. Clothing. Look at this thing. Women, they want to know different bra band sizes, bra cup sizes, shoes for women, dresses for women, shoes for men. Suits for men. This is pretty cool for me because I wear suits. So I think I'm a 42 short. So there it is, and it shows what it is in different brands. So that's actually kind of it's funny and cool at the same time. All right, go back. You got updates and extras to go and do for your system. Picture viewer, if you went ahead and have any, and you put a USB in which you connect right here basically. Okay, all right, I'll go into that a little bit, but you have unit converter, which is pretty cool. Length, basically converts length to feet, yards, inches, pretty cool stuff. I mean, it really is. Speed, go into the speed, miles per hour, whatnot. I mean, it's incredible the stuff that's on this thing. Power, mass, area, volume. I mean, geez, if you have your son in here, he's trying to do his homework, you got everything right here. Got a calculator. Awesome stuff. Look at the screen size in this thing. High definition. It just looks really, really clean. Go to the back menu right here. Counting information, trip monitor. It has counting information. I mean, this is crazy. Look at this. Go into help. It's going to help you basically give you a demo of what it's all about. So you go into your demo. Let me see what this is. MGM Grand. Oh, okay. So here's your demo basically. I haven't done this yet. So it gives you a demo of basically how it would be to go to the MGM from here. This is pretty incredible. Pretty cool stuff. All right. Go back. Okay. Overall, I got to tell you is the navigation was incredible. When I was going through the whole navigation and I was going to downtown, you can actually see 2 to 3D sizes of buildings. And you can see the county courthouse right in front of me, the building right around me. It's really detailed and tells you where you got what the next exit is. It doesn't tell you just like, for example, I-10 exit 30. It tells you, I-10 and exit 30, George Dieter and Zaragoza exit. So it's really cool. I really like that a lot. It's very easy to use. Another thing that's pretty funny that I got to tell you is that the problem is that if you're going 60 miles an hour and you start going 65 on the freeway, it's literally going to tell you that you're over the speed limit. I was able to turn off the actual volume of the speaker, but the problem is, though, is I did notice is that I was playing some Bluetooth music, and while I was hearing the song, it would literally go and drop the sound down slightly, and I was like, what's going on? Couldn't know what that was, and then I found out that it was actually the guy telling me to exit the next exit, because I was playing around with the navigation to test how it works, and that's what it was. So I've got to figure that out. It's got to be a fix for that, maybe to just turn it off completely. But that was when I was playing my music. So all right, so let's go back into this now. All right, okay, route options. Let's see what I got here. Okay, so avoidances, edit route, alternative fast. There you go. Yeah, North Zaragoza. That was my last destination that I went to. I can cancel the route, keep route, whatever I want. Okay, go into the back menu. All right. What I just noticed actually is that it's just getting a little bit darker. So there's a sensor on here that changes to a night mode, which is awesome. So this is literally during my video on the fly. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of it. It's going to take you back to the Navos screen. All right, let's go to the next thing. Okay, iPod. You can't click on it unless you have an iPod connected. I don't, because I have my Apples right now. I'm sorry, my Android phone. So I don't have that right now. Okay, phone. Okay, so basically when you got your Bluetooth connected, okay, it does have me set up as a Galaxy S9. I'm not going to do right now, but to make a phone call, but it's very easy to do. 821-0850. Hey, press code. That's it. You can even say it right here. Favorites. Put your favorites connected. Let's see once it connects up. Let's see. Go to recents, contacts. All right, so there's my contacts right there. Those are all the contacts I have. Very easy to go to. Okay, go back. All right, if I have a USB connected, I can connect my my USB, go into whatever's inside there. Okay, move the touch screen to the middle screen. Info, NaviPath, file, camera. If I have a camera connected into my car, so that's pretty cool. Is that I can connect my camera and I can hit it. So hit that. It shows you just a blank screen. But if I have a camera connected, I can do it. Okay, audio. This is really cool. Another thing I gotta say is that this is a 50 watt. I'm sorry, a 50 watt by 4 channel. So this is actually a full 200 powerful system. I love it. It's got the loudness button in here. Okay, equalizer. Here's your full equalizer. Okay, you can also set it up as flat, pop, classical, rock user. There should be like a hip hop or something in there, because that would just have different bass connected to it with some high treble. I mean, that'd be pretty cool. But you can play with it the way you want it. You can even have user, which is you could do. Okay, I put some Kenwoods inside this system, so I had that connected to the stock radio, and it sounded pretty bad. Didn't sound like the way it sounded. So here you go. You got bass, middle, and treble. You can do the basics. You can connect the subwoofer to this, so you can go and change your gain on your subwoofer along with the gain that's inside your actual amp itself. So I got it at 0. Just leave it alone because I don't have an amp yet. But I will be doing a video on when I put my sound system on. Okay. So you go into that, you got your fade, balance, delay. Click on that. It tells you how it's connected right now. Okay. Another thing you notice is you got your temperature 67 degrees outside. You got your time. Okay. All right. You got confirmation tone, factory amplifier, high 5. Okay. So, all right. Next thing is system. Okay. This is going to be your settings basically. One thing that's pretty cool is you got it connected in English. I can change different stuff right here on there. Okay, you got your region. Okay, you can pick literally what you want. All right, of course I'm in USA. All right, I'm a huge Celtics fan, so I'm going to change it to green. Okay, it's pretty cool. All right, go back to system. Sorry about that. All right, Bluetooth audio. Okay, it's powered by Windows too, if you notice. So you can change it from here. All right. Okay, system. Go back to system again. I'm sorry again. Right there, brightness, illumination, right there. So you can go and do sensor. See, by sensor drops a little bit lighter. I'll put illumination back on. Okay, so you can go ahead and put the reverse. Okay, you can have it on cam. Right now I'm not, because I don't have it. That's what I noticed lately, is that it's been wanting to go to camera, but I don't have a camera connected yet. But I will be putting a reverse camera on there. That'll be another video. Okay. All right, so let's go into dual zone. Okay, you can put that. Okay. All right, let's see. What is that? Let's see there. Factory reset. You can change your factory reset on there. All right. Okay, aircon. This is pretty cool. Really like this again. You can go and change it to AC max, AC. Click what you want. All right. Probably hear it come on. I'll put the fan up. See that right there? All right. Change that off. If I had heated seats, which if you guys have heated seats, you can click it right here. I don't, but if you do, that's awesome, because I wish I had it. Okay, you can connect it. You can go with your SD card. You can go to your Bluetooth audio. Click on that. All right, that's how it would look when you play your music. When you start pressing play, you'll start hearing your music click on. I don't think I can connect it right now because I'm using my phone right now to do this video. Go into your library. I did it through YouTube lately right now. I was playing some videos through there. That's pretty cool. Oh, another thing is I'm going to do another thing right now is Android Link. Okay, Android Link will be another video I'll be doing. And this is going to be a complete video dedicated to Android Link. Very cool stuff. I do like it a lot. HDDs, SD, put your SD. Okay, so you can put right here on this MMC right here. You can actually put another SD card, so then you can access more music, movies, what have you. Okay. One thing I will tell you about Android Link, which is really cool, I really like a lot, is you connect it through here. Okay, you hit that button. Okay, and then you got to connect it to the bottom using your USB and your connector. You put it into your phone. Okay, once it connects, it'll connect it and it'll set it up, and then you can go through it. So I'll be doing another video right after this dedicated to the Android Link, because it's very important you know about this. Okay, so let me exit out of that right there. Overall, I got to tell you is that this system is an excellent system. I recommend it. It is totally worth the money. It went ahead and changed my whole car sound. It's just a really cool system if you want to upgrade from your stock radio, from the Shaker original system to this. It's going to be more powerful than for the Shaker. The installation was really not that hard at all, especially if you have a base model. Geez, you miss literally about 6 or 7 steps that you don't have to do if you have a base model. But it's not hard. If you have a Shaker system, It's really easy to install as well. The steps are so easy, just connecting more connectors into it. Oh, another thing is I want to show you down here. Okay, this piece right here. There's a connector that you're going to be doing that when you take off this console right here, that you're going to be disconnecting a connector here. Make sure and you connect that back in before you put your interface back up and you connect it back in, because the next morning, dropping off my kids at school, and I noticed that basically that I went ahead and locked them out, and I couldn't take their bag out, so I had to use my I had to pop the trunk. I couldn't pop the trunk, so I had to use my key and basically pop the trunk from here. So yeah, overall, gotta tell you, the system is great, worth every penny. Great job from American Muscle to go from the stereo radio they had to this 9-inch screen, which is beautiful. The picture is excellent, and I think you're really gonna love it. Thanks a lot.